Today is the day. As we can see, somebody started swelling over there, Miss Pandora. She started swelling again. That's why this one's going crazy, but he cool. And this is cloudy. And he's smelling my feet. He's smelling my feet. He's smelling my feet. My baby. Hey, you. My baby. My baby. That cloudy girl. That cloudy girl. That Pandora. What? Look, this one he wants some. Got his move, cloudy. He wants some attention too, right? Big boy. That's my big boy. That's my big boy. Go play. Stop. Stop. Stop, Gladiator. They don't want you jumping on them. Right, Cloudy? You only want to smell something. Tell them leave you alone. Leave her alone, Gladiator. Hey, leave her alone. Sit down and stop. Sit down and stop. My babies. Sunday. Sunday fun day. Sunday fun day. Stop. Don't mess with my shirt. Sunday fun day. Pandora, leave her alone, Gladiator. Hey, Pandora. Hey, mama. Hey, Kaka. Move, Gladiator. Move, Cloudy. You got to make sure everybody get their love. Everybody gets love around here. No aggression. We don't allow no aggression down here. We don't allow no aggression. We don't allow no aggression. Ah! Cut it. We don't even let them play like that around here. Pandora, stop. We don't even let them play. Y'all can see she's swelling up. Somebody about to come and heat the darker one, the older one. The 18-month-old. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the size. Believe it or not, Cloudy is 10 months. She 18 months. The darker one 18 and the lighter one 10. And he's 17. He's got what big he is. 2XL. Look at him. Look how long he is, y'all. Definitely bigger than them. Stop. 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 Yeah. Keep it, we can keep a lot of things in order, You don't have none of them problems. Dogs are dogs. You never know what could happen. Cloudy, you're going to go in if you don't stop. I'm speaking to you. Stop. Yeah, see? I mean, anything can happen, but you got to stay. Hey, the next time you're going in, you still got to be the boss. Allow them to be themselves, but you still got to be the boss. You know what I'm saying? Like Flipper. Yep, we're just out here chilling. Sunday morning, got our church in. Now we're here playing with them, letting them get their socialized, and they glorifying Jesus. Come on, Gladiator. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Come on, Gladiator. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Stop, Gladiator. Stop. Gladiator. Stop. Gladiator. Stop. Cut it out. Cut it out. It ain't that time yet. Ain't that time yet. What's up, girl? You be chilling. You be chilling. Stop. They all were raised together. No relations to the two Merles. They're not related. None of these dogs are related. We produce him. He's our first production. The Gladiator came off of Ruby. Simba. He's an XL. Trindle, boy, is amazing. Yeah, see how big he is. She gonna be an XL too. She a Merle, and that's a standard Merle, black Merle. So people give me asking questions. That's a black Merle, and this is a blue Merle. You can see the height and the size of all of them together. Pandora. Pandora. Cut it. Pandora. Cut it. Gladiator. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Somebody about to come back in heat. Her third heat. She'll be starting her third heat. I see the swelling. And you see this one right here. She probably about to come in too, because they go simultaneously. But there's no plans for her. But them two. Gladiator and Pandora. Cloudy? Not yet. Hey! Hey! Cloudy! 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 Stop. Gladiator! Stop. Get off her. Hey. 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 Get off her. Get off her. They're like babies, y'all. As y'all see, no growling, none of that. No game in these dogs. But that big one, he still is protected though. Pandora, 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 Gladiator, Gladiator and Pandora, cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out. Yeah, I see my chair. It's the puppy room, so nursery room. They out here playing. It's hot outside, so they gotta get their workout in. They gotta get their workout in. Hey, hey, why y'all smelling his butt? Stop, Cloudy. Stop. Yeah, puppy. She still got that puppy in her. You know what I'm saying? This dude, big boy. Look at that boy. Ooh-wee, y'all see? He out there thinking there's some action. Action. She ain't ready yet. There's a good comparison of sizes. Good comparison on the size. Good comparison on the size. Oh boy, big right there. See that one? She be chilling. It's these two right here, the harassers. 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 They want to harass us. They want to harass us. You hear that? You hear that, mama? Huh? Sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy. Good boy. Stay in there. Good boy. Cloudy. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Sit down. Stop.